let's make one of my favorite summertime treats. It is my garlic bread bruschetta. It's the answer for when you can't decide whether you want garlic bread or bruschetta on the table. So what do? You unite the two and you make this. It's so delicious. We make it all summer season, especially when the tomatoes are bursting in the garden. These are not garden grown tomatoes. Mine are not ready yet. But basically, it's just really simple. You're gonna go ahead and dice up or chop up some tomatoes of your choice. It could be cherry tomatoes, vine ripe tomatoes, whatever sweet tomatoes you've got. You toss that around with some garlic, salt, oregano, fresh basil, and olive oil, and you set that aside. Don't pop it in the fridge. Just let it sit and marinate on your counter until everything else is ready, which will only take about 20-ish minutes. Then what I did was I took some garlic and I went ahead and peeled it and very, very finely sliced it because I want to get this garlic nice and sizzled and nice and golden brown and get all nutty and just delicious. I added that to a skillet with about a quarter cup of olive oil, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and I just went ahead and popped that on the burner until it became lightly golden and really fragrant. I went ahead and sliced open a nice fresh loaf of ciabatta, and then you just take that sizzled garlic and olive oil mixture and you just spread that and spoon that really over both sides of the ciabatta, on the cut side, of course. So easy and simple, but this provides like a deeper flavor I can't really describe. And then I take fresh mozz, really thinly sliced, and I cover the cut side of both sides of the bread. Now, you guys know these videos do not replace my regular scheduled content. These are in addition to. By the way, put some Parm on top. These are in addition to, because we can all use a little extra food inspo. Pop that in the 375 oven about 25 minutes until it looks like this. You want the bread to be really crusty on the bottom and the cheese to be a lovely golden brown and just delightful. And then go ahead and just top it with that bruschetta mixture, that marinated tomato mixture that is just divine. As I was saying, these videos do not replace my regular content. They are in addition to, because I feel like we can all use extra food inspo. I want to show you what I eat on a regular basis, what we really cook and eat like repeatedly in this house. And again, it's just a way to give you more content. So if you want more food content, here it is. Add a drizzle of balsamic over top. It could be balsamic vinegar or balsamic glaze. It is totally up to you. I like to do it over top rather than mixing the balsamic with the tomatoes, because when the balsamic mixes with the tomato juices, it kind of just becomes like a really ugly color, and I don't like the way that it looks, but I love it drizzled on top. Extra basil for good measure, and that is pretty much it. Begs to be devoured. It is spectacular. It's such a favorite. I know you will just love it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.